Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you will have seen from the title of this video, I've got another speed cleaning video for you today. So today I thought I would film a speed cleaning video, but so far whenever I've filmed a speed cleaning video I have been filming my downstairs of my house, cleaning there. So today I really needed to clean upstairs in my house, and it occurred to me that I'd never filmed speed cleaning upstairs, so that is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to try and get as much done in the time that I have. I don't know how much I'll get done. I'm starting in mine and Andrew's bedroom, and then we'll see how much more we can get done from there. So Elle's in nursery this morning. This is purely a cleaning morning for me, so I'm just going to crack on and get as much done as I can. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this kind of video and you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'd subscribe and stick around and give this video a thumbs up to let me know this is the kind of video you want to see more of. So let's get started. So I'm just going to show you what I'm dealing with today. My room is an absolute tip. So over here we have my laptop, Andrew's wash bag from when we were away last weekend, cups, lots of toiletries and things that need cleaned away. My mirror is absolutely awful, it needs a good clean. Over here I've left out loads of toiletries and things that need tidied up. You've probably seen this corner in some of my other videos. It doesn't normally look like this, so we need to get that sorted. All my electrical stuff, my hairdryer and straighteners and stuff have been left a bit of a mess. Hello! My bin needs emptied. I've got to put away this. This was from my Primark haul I did the other day, so that needs tidied away. I've got some of Elle's books from when we did bedtime because she sleeps in with me most nights. My lamp's on the floor to make it a bit darker for reading bedtime stories with Elle, so that needs sorted out. I've got some glasses, Elle's blankie. We've got all these clothes lying, mostly Andrew's I might add, but a few of mine. This is a pile of odd socks that I've been meaning to sort out, and I just dumped them all in the bed, so they need sorted. Elle's breakfast tray because she took it upstairs. Andrew's bedside table, and I use that very loosely because it gets taken over by Elle, but we've got lots of Elle's bits and pieces on here. Some of Andrew's bits as well. This is like a dumping ground, this corner, so that needs sorted out. Over here I have two baskets of laundry. This one is actually stuff that's kind of out of season that I want to put in a box under the bed, so I need to sort that out, and this is stuff that just needs put away. I'll need to put on some more laundry, and Elle has left a handbag here. And down here I have a bag of returns for New Look, a handbag that I'm not using currently that needs to go away, and one of Elle's toys. And the floor needs a really good hoover as well. So I'm about to get stuck in and get this all sorted. So first up, I've got my speaker and I've put on one of my favourite podcasts to listen to while I clean. I find that really helps me to stop getting bored while I'm cleaning if I'm listening to something I'm enjoying. And I've opened the window to let some fresh air in. And I've taken a tray up with me to put on any cups or things that don't belong there. And I'm just going to add any cups or things that I come across that belong in the kitchen onto the tray so I can take it down next time I go down. This bag here, I am popping in all the odd socks. There's that big pile that I've been meaning to get round to, so I'm popping them all inside this laundry bag. I'm popping it on the hooks on the back of my door, and then once it's full I will empty them out and see if we can pair some up. So I'm going to start by putting away some of this laundry. Some of it is things that are to go away, I've discovered, and some of it is things that are out of season. So I'm hanging up the things that I want to keep out in my wardrobe. And then I'm taking through this plastic under the bed storage box, and I'm going to put anything that's out of season or I don't wear anymore but I want to keep hold of in case I decide I do want to wear it again into this box, and I'm going to store it under the bed in another bedroom. So now I have an empty basket. I'm going to use that basket to put in anything that belongs in Elle's room because she tends to take through toys and books and things to our room. So I'm just going to put it all in that basket so that I can just take it through in one go to her room rather than dotting back and forth. And next up I'm tackling any clothes lying at the end of the bed. So if it belongs in the washing basket, it's going in there. If I'm making a small pile on the floor of clothes that I want to donate, and yeah, just getting rid of everything at the end of the bed. So as I have a bit of time today because Elle's at nursery and I can do things that I wouldn't normally do, I'm emptying out this handbag that I'm not using at the moment and putting everything where it belongs. So a lot of it belongs in the bin actually, but there's some things like bits of makeup that I don't wear every day and things like that, so I'm just popping everything away. So I'm just moving the laptop from the dresser, and I'm going to put on this tray that I have the cups and things and add anything else that belongs downstairs. And now just to clear everything else on the dresser that doesn't belong there, there's lots of bits and pieces that belong other places, so they're just getting put back where they belong. And then I'm using antibacterial wipe to give it all a thorough clean down, including the fronts of the drawers. So next up, I'm just clearing the top of my chest of drawers and putting everything where it belongs. In this drawer that I have open, I keep my makeup that I use every day, but it's actually pretty overflowing. So I have another box that I keep makeup that I don't use every day but I want to keep hold of because I use it sometimes. So I'm just going to actually go through my everyday makeup tray and get rid of stuff, and I'm going to give my everyday makeup tray a good clean and pop everything back in and clean the makeup as I pop it back in and get everything nice and tidy. While I'm at it, I'm going to give the laptop a good clean. Some more paperwork I've come across. So now I'm just going to completely clear the top of my chest of drawers and give it a great big clean with my anti-bac wipes. The fronts of the drawers, particularly because these drawers are white and I do my makeup over here, I tend to get like foundation and things on them by mistake. So give them a good clean and clean everything as I put it back, and only have things that I use all the time left out. So next up, I am cleaning the window and all the windowsills and window frames with another cleaning wipe. Just when I think I'm nearly done, I've still got everything at the side of the bed. So I'm going to go through this Primark bag. There's not actually that much left in it, but pop away what needs put away, pick up a few more of Elle's toys to go through in her room, and then take that basket through to her room. Next up, I'm just picking everything up off the floor that doesn't belong there and clearing the top of my bedside table so I can give it all a thorough clean with the anti-bac wipes, and then put everything away where it belongs. So we're getting there. Next to Andrew's bedside table, which is always a total mess. So giving everything a thorough clean on his bedside table and putting things away that don't belong out. Next, I need to tackle this box with all my hair appliances, so I'm just going to take everything out, untangle all the wires, and pop everything back in where it belongs. Any hair products and hair appliances go in there, and then it just stays beside my mirror. And next, just to change the bedroom bin, get a fresh one in, and to hoover. I think this makes such a difference. Once you've hoovered the room, everything starts to look a lot fresher. Then it's on to making the bed. I know a lot of people make the bed first, but I like to do it last so that if I'm putting anything on the bed, it doesn't get all wrinkled. And then I put the throw over it, tuck everything in, and get it looking a little bit better than it was before. And that's us finished, everything looking a little bit tidier and a lot cleaner.
Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up to let me know to make more like this. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you'd subscribe and stick around, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!